How do you successfully launch a book onto Amazon KDP? How much time do you allocate to preparing your special launch? I know that 90% of indie authors don't plan at all. They create the book, then load it up onto Amazon KDP, and then expect Amazon to market their book for them. Or it could be that you don't have an allocated budget for certain marketing and advertising. But the first 30 days are just so important. And what I've done is helped a friend to launch her book. In fact, I've used my Amazon KDP blueprint for launching, and it's had some excellent results for her. Make sure you check out the end of this video because there is a special offer that I'm putting for you, and you can also download a free document which helps with the basics of launching a book onto Amazon KDP. Now, if you haven't been to this channel before, welcome. My name is Romney. Now, what we're going to be doing is going through a few of the key strategies that you need to think of when you're launching your book onto Amazon KDP. Now, I'm going to show you some results of my friend's book, which will be the sales for the first roughly 35-40 days. But also as important is to show you the cost of marketing and advertising that book through Amazon ads. Because you can sell a lot of books, but you also need to invest in the marketing and advertising for the first 30, 60, even 90 days to ensure you get traction, to ensure Amazon KDP's algorithm picks up your book. Because if you don't market and advertise your book, how is anyone ever going to find it? I know your time is spent with creation, and marketing and advertising may not be your strength, but you still need to ensure that you plan and prepare for the launch. Because it's sad to see people that have created and put so much effort into their books, they load them up and they expect them just to start to sell. But with more and more books being loaded up onto Amazon KDP every day, you need to ensure your book stands out. So let's get into the results of my friend's book. And the first 40 days is important. So let's see how that book first went. So let's get into the results right now. On the 22nd of August 2022, my friend launched her book. Now, there are a few important things that you need to note when launching a book. Sometimes you're not going to jump out of the gate and get a heap of sales. As you can see from just here, on the first couple of days, there was just 2 sales or 4 sales collectively. And then there was no sales on the 3rd day. But as the advertising started to kick in as one of the key steps for launching a book, you can see that sales started then to climb. It never just goes in a straight line. You don't see growth that goes straight up. There are going to be some dips, and what you're hoping for is that you can continue to improve on the low points. So we had a low point here, the next low point was here. So then one appeared here, but we haven't seen a low point since the 10th of September at 3 books. The lowest next was 4 books, and the next lowest was probably here, which was 5 books. So what we're wanting to see is that the lowest book sales day is not repeated. Hopefully, we start getting more sales per day as the high point. So at this point in time, there has been 2 occasions over the first 40 days where there were 12 book sales on the one day. So you can see there were 230 print books sold, or collectively with Kindle, so there's an ebook version of this book, of 230 sales. So when you launch your book, you really are trying to get consistent sales to trigger the algorithm. But what would she spend, or what did she spend once she's created the book and launched the book on the actual advertising of that book? So the launch strategy included a $500 budget. Now, for some of you, that is going to be a significant amount of money, and I understand that. So everyone's budgets are going to be different. Therefore, tailoring your launch is also going to be dependent on what you can provide for a budget for your launch. In this scenario, a friend had approximately $500 for the first 30 days, 35 days. So there were $503 spent and 1,438 sales, dollars in sales, 144 orders, over 200,000 impressions, and an ACOS being the difference between the sales and what you spent of 35%. Also note some of the important budget limits. So there are 2 campaigns that have actually already been turned off, and there are 2 that still run. Now, one of the budgets is recommending a $25 daily recommendation, but if I increased that to $25 for my friend, because I'm helping her manage this campaign, I think that would exceed her budget. So I'm keeping it at $16, and the other one is just set at $6. But the ACOS is pretty good for those last 2 campaigns at 35.07% and 32.77%. So let's have a look at different things you need to implement and best practices for book launching. Firstly, a well laid out, structured and easy to implement launch plan is just so important. You need to keep it simple. You can't complicate these things. You do need important steps in your plan, and I've got a new course that outlines everything about how to launch your book on Amazon KDP. So that talks through that structure and the best ways to simplify it for the most impact. You need to develop your social proof via reviews, and the reviews can be quite challenging. So that's one thing that you need to work through. Again, there's actually a lesson I developed with my course specifically about social proof, getting reviews, how to get them, structuring them the right way, all that sort of thing. Then early sales trigger the Amazon algorithms to take notice of your book. And so that's why the first week, even 30 days, is so important to start to get those sales, because if a book sells, Amazon want to promote that book, or at least elevate it so that customers can see it. Or when you start to get traction, your main keywords start to become identified by Amazon. So then therefore when customers type in something about your book or keywords, it will come up. A solo launch will help organic sales over the long term. So it's an investment, not an expense when you're looking at the price of launching your book. And then Amazon badges in the early launch phase will significantly help book sale opportunities. So what do I mean by badges? Well, it's like the #1 new release. Or if you happen to be lucky enough to get a #1 bestseller, that's great. But just remember to choose appropriate and suitable categories. So one thing I've done for you as part of this video is to create a book launch basic book, just a PDF handout. And in that, it's got some tips. It's also got a template you can use similar to the one on the right here. It's just got the day. So if you have from pre-launch through to day 30, you can add those details, add the tasks that you're going to be actioning, and whether you've completed it or not. And to conclude, I wanted to provide you with details of a course that I've created on how to successfully launch a book on Amazon KDP. I show you the exclusive blueprint method that I personally use to launch all of my books. It comes with 2 different resources which will guide you all the way, and also the platforms that are hosting the course are Skillshare, Udemy, and Thinkific. Now, what I will also do is show you a few key things that the course covers. So it's talking about why develop a book launch strategy, the key elements that make a great book launch, tailoring your launch, planning and preparation, budgeting financial costs, book promotion sites, Amazon advertising, social media, obtaining reviews and gaining social proof. Then I'll show you my exclusive book launch strategy. Then how to build a book launch team, additional marketing strategies post-launch, how to develop a 12-month book launch, and then developing your very own launch strategy, and you'll have the templates to do that. So that's a quick little summary of the course, and make sure you check out the links below, because if you're watching this video early enough, I will have a special launch price that will be made available to you. So let's finish and summarize a few of the key points about launching your book and how my friend was able to sell over 230 copies within that first 40-day period. So firstly, you need to make sure that you keep things simplified. You need to have a budget allocated. You need to start to think actively about marketing your book using Amazon ads. Ensure you get social proof. And there's many different ways of being able to gain that social proof, because when customers see social proof, they feel more confident about purchasing your book. The first 30 days is critical. Do whatever you can to market your book. And then finally, give your book everything you can to get in front of as many people as you can in the shortest amount of time. Because if you let your book just die off, then it's very, very hard to try and bring that book back to life again. So when you hit launch, that is the time to really double down and to work as hard as you can to sell as many books as you can and to get as much social proof as you can in that period of time. Now, as I mentioned during the presentation, if you were keen on developing more knowledge about launching a book, how to really successfully launch your book on Amazon KDP, you can check out my course. And I'll provide the links below, and it is available across a few different platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Thinkific. So thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Goodbye.